Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is lecture number 23rd. The name of the paper is Introduction to English Literature 1. We are discussing prosody or the sound patterns and rhythms in English poetry. And this is the third type of meter we are discussing, anapaest or anapaestic meter. This lecture is specifically for the students of BS English first semester GDC PUBI. And it is also for the students of those colleges which are affiliated with Abdul Wali Khan University. Anapaestic or anapaest meter consists of 3 syllables. In the previous ones, we had 2 syllables. Iambus had 2 syllables with first unstressed, second stressed. Trochee had 2 syllables. The first one stressed and the second unstressed. While this one, anapaest or anapaestic, has 3 syllables. And in these 3 syllables, the combination is such that the first 2 syllables are not stressed, they are unaccented, they are short, and they are unstressed, while the last one is stressed, accented, or long. So this is how we define it, that in anapaestic meter, we have 3 syllables, the first 2 unstressed and the third one stressed. And then the length of line may vary. You can have monometer, diameter, trimeter, tetrameter, pentameter, hexameter, octameter, etc. Pentameter, as we have discussed, is the common one. This is the example. The stressed areas are boxed, and we read it like this. And the sheen of their spears was like stars on the sea. So you can see that these and the is unstressed, sheen is stressed, of there is unstressed, spears is stressed, was like both of them unstressed, stars stressed, on the unstressed and sea stressed. So this is a very short lecture. You can see anapaestic rhythm. Let me read it and translate it for you. उर्दू में भी सुन लें. anapaestic rhythm या मीटर में 3 syllables होते हैं. इसमें पहले 2 पे जोर होता है, ये स्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं, और तीसरा आखिरी वाला अनस्ट्रेस्ड होता है. लाइन में इन मीटर की तादाद वेरी कर सकती है. 1 हो तो मानोमीटर, 2 हो तो डायमीटर, 3 हो तो ट्रायमीटर, 4 हो तो टेट्रामीटर, 5 हो तो पेंटामीटर और यू. और लाइन की एग्जांपल एक यहाँ पे दी है, जो बॉक्स्ड आइटम है ये स्ट्रेस्ड है, बाकी अनस्ट्रेस्ड है. तो इसकी ट्रांसलेशन सुनिए. इन दिस मेजर, इस रिदम में, ईच फुट इन अ लाइन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 syllables, हर फुट में 3 syllables होंगे. And not of the two, as was the case with the तो इसमें syllables 3 होंगे और 2 नहीं होंगे, जैसे कि iambic और trochaic में था. तो ये मेरे ख्याल में इससे हटा दें तो ये तब ठीक होगा. 3 syllables and not 2, यूं कर लें, ये आप सेट हो गया. And not 2, as was the case with iambic and the trochaic. और इसमें 2 syllables नहीं होते जैसे iambic और trochaic में था. अब these 3 syllables, इन 3 syllables में से the first 2 are unaccented, पहले 2 पे stress नहीं होता, and the third alone is accented, और सिर्फ तीसरा वाला accented होता है. The number of feet in each line varies. हर लाइन में feet की तादाद मुख्तलिफ हो सकती है, as in the case of the other 2 meters, जैसे और 2 meters में था. And an anapaestic line may also be diameter, trimeter, tetrameter और pentameter line हो सकते हैं. Example ہے and the sheen of their spears was like stars on the sea. شین شائن کو کہتے ہیں, چمک کو کہتے ہیں, spears نیزوں کو کہتے ہیں. The boxed syllables in the above line are stressed. جو باکس میں بند ہے یہ stressed ہے. While the underlined are unstressed. اور جن کے نیچے لائن ہے یہ stressed نہیں ہے. تو یہ NPHT کی ریدم اور مختصر سا لیکچر. تھینک یو اینڈ گڈ لک.